Hey, good morning, everybody. We are back at it. Yesterday there was a quick flip around. Let me just. We lost quite a bit of equity yesterday in the market move, so I'll give you a hint. So we had opened up a few positions. Um, Here's just a quick glimpse of the Nasdaq QQQs. So this was Friday's movement, and then this was Monday's movement. So we can kind of see that we're still below this 354 level, but all this movement down was essentially all um, made up in the afternoon. What was that? Around just before 12. So there was a crazy amount of volume, more than average, I would say. I don't know. Maybe that was. I mean, that could be just pretty average because this Friday was more of a selling day. We have just under 4 minutes. We just have about 4 minutes until market opens. So actually, I'll let you guys know when I get into a trade. I'm gonna make some uh, just some notes to myself with my open positions, and I'll let you guys know. Looks like Rivian looks like a nice play for us today too. We're gonna just watch that. We're gonna watch that movement. Okay, okay. Okay, so we're in at 160 for 5. We got 30 seconds to close, or 20 seconds, 25. Sometimes when you can't really tell sometimes when you can't really look at a chart and find a pattern or a visible indicating if you can't visibly indicate the direction of the stock, it's always nice to know some like price action, which is actually just being able to read and maybe understand what one candlestick is telling you, what two candlesticks is telling you, and what like three or four are telling you. It gives you a clear idea of what the buyers and sellers are doing. Because again, these are just visual interpretations of the buying and selling movement. So price action, very important to know. So where are we now? 202 right now. Am I happy with that? Well, I want to get out on this first one. I want to get out on half of 58.79, then possibly figure out the rest from there. We already have that first break of this section. There could be a pullback. There's a good chance there's a pullback, and that is going to probably come back to 60 to test that level. We see this run here. We have this leg. We have another run down here. We want to see some 58.70 action. We got some sellers at 59.25. A decent amount. Nothing substantial. Can't push through. Obviously 59 is going to be a level to watch, so We'll watch that. I have a lot of glare on my screen. So he's going to be that first obstacle, probably. We're at 285 right now. So see, we're going to see that first bounce. We're at 310. Let's take 3 off the table. Bid ask there. Boom, boom. Sold 3 Rivians and actually sold one of my ASML positions. So right now 312 in total on this Rivian position. I locked in one of my ASML positions. That's decent. So let's see. So that ASML. So I sold that for $850. I swung that last week. I bought that Friday at market close for an average price of $170. I was gonna hold. I was actually gonna hold a lot longer because I really wanted. I really wanted like 1,500 for it. But $175 to $850 I will take any day. So I'm not gonna get too greedy. I'm gonna lock one of them in. Luckily I bought 2. The opportunities are always there to put in $200, you know. One contract cost me 175, and that was me paying the top of the line for it. But I knew I wanted it, so I paid the ask of it, and we got filled on that position, which gave us. We got filled on that position, which I was happy about. Monday we saw the drop, but also we saw that big pickup here, right? Oops, I will show you right now. Rivian's doing my thing, so I am just letting it go. It came all the way down here. We were up a ton, and then it revert all the way back. You know, it's a little call for it's a little bit of a scare when it rips up like that, but we follow our technicals, we follow our thesis, and we follow our conviction. We knew what we were doing. We had somewhat of a stop loss level. We got in at a perfect time. We made our choices correctly, and it played out in the favor of us. So while it did that, I made a nice healthy profit. What is that? $850 minus $175 is $675 on that one contract. And we held it from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days. We're going to let the second one run because, again, I put in $175 in it. It's now worth almost $1,000. It's almost worth $1,000 now, and it really cost me nothing to hold it at this point. I have it for a while more. I see a big drop in my future. I see a big drop in this in the future. So I'm going to let that do its thing. Meanwhile, I'm going to finish watching Rivian. So my account just made that new high, like as in total net liquid value. So if I were to liquidate everything I own into cash, I just hit a brand new high. My account has just made a brand new high as far as like value goes, and I have been trading full time now for essentially a month. I kind of started right at the beginning of, I think my first video on YouTube was right after the last semester ended, last fall semester of 2021. That was my last semester of school. I started, I think, my first video pretty much right after that, and it was like the week of the 20 something. And as soon as finals got done, I wanted to get into trading. That wasn't my first full week of trading, but that was my first week I posted my videos. Starting January was my first week of full-time trading. That means Monday through Friday, 9 to 3, or sorry, 8:30 to 3. And by full day trading, I mean just like giving myself the time and the accessibility to learn, read, research, and make my plays the entire day, Monday through Friday, and being able to have the accessibility to look at my positions if I need to, make changes if I need to, look at economic data, all that boring stuff, and with that focus, my account, which I'm gonna make a 3-year anniversary in March. It'll be my 3-year anniversary of this trading account. I'm gonna make an anniversary video to show you guys my progress from my lows and then my high moments, as well as the consistency now that I'm finally seeing after 2 years, after college is finished, after being able to put my my entire focus in this one thing. And it hasn't even been a month, and I've hit new highs, and I'm hoping that within the next few months I can reach day trading minimums of 25 grand, and actually a little higher. My goal is 30 grand by June. So it sounds kind of crazy for me being like only a third of the way now, but just under a third of the way now. But I think with focus, with laser focus, and really picking your plays right, and getting the right types of entries and exits, I definitely can do it. So please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll have that video out in March. I might be getting ready to get out. I mean, it's fair enough for me to say I don't need to get greedy. My remaining positions are still up 80 on my 2 contracts. That means 40 apiece. Entirely, we'd be out for... let's see what it does right here. Okay, no, I don't really care, do I? There could be a decent amount of people wanting to get in, so... Okay. Bid ask at 209. Let's give people the ask. Yeah, I think some people might be wanting to jump in. 205. I know people get hungry at Rivian. The bid ask spreads are 190 to 205. The 15 cents, $15 spread per contract. As soon as this this candlestick can close a nice full red, we can see a nice move towards our direction. If it confirms it, and the buyers are gonna want to buy up this contract at ask price, because they can scalp this movement unless it wants to break over. Let's see what the price ladder looks like. We got some sellers. We're under the 60. It's a hard break, but it's not impossible. We just make some adjustments then. Not terrible. Not terrible. Let's just sell for the 2. Nice. There we go. All right, guys. Let's see what we have here. 266 on our singular day trade, not including our swing trades. Not too bad, hey. And it's 9:07. We start. The market opens at 8:30. Look at this. That's a very bearish, very favorable candlestick right now. It's gonna close, and then watch this next one. Oh no, you don't. Oh no, you don't. Get your ass back down there. Oh yeah. That's how we do it. Okay. No, I honestly, this could go either way, but probably down. All right, that wraps it up. 9:08. We're done for the morning. We're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna laser focus. Close out positions we need today. I gotta watch the remaining of my swing positions. Close out what I need to. We have the FOMC Fed speaking today and tomorrow. Jerome Powell will be speaking tomorrow to clarify what the actions are. Probably, most likely, look at this. It's gonna burst up. See, I'm never always right, and that's okay. But being able to understand how it moves is always clear. There was an indication it could have gone up. Our preference was down, but we'll watch that. Again, FOMC meeting. We want to close out our positions. It's a very volatile week when the Fed speaks because they make up some pretty big decisions for the economy. Uh, yeah, 266 guys. We're done. Our other swings are hopefully gonna print some money for us, like J Powell prints, and again, brand new high for this account. I'm super glad, super happy. Um, Progress, is imminent as long as you keep trying, you put in the work. It's been over 2 years, and um, 2 years in the making, and I'm just so glad to be doing this. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys probably Thursday or Friday. Not gonna trade day trade tomorrow because with the last FOMC meeting, it's gonna be pretty pivotal, I think. So we are going to just watch our swing positions to make sure that those go according to plan, or we get out of those and take our profits if we need to. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time.